In this kind of questions, we believe that the man is unlucky. He is looking for black socks, but he is going to find blue and red in time. So 21 plus 17. 21 plus 17. He picked 38 and they are not black. 39th can be black. What is the pair of it? 40th is our guarantee. He is the unluckiest man in the world. Let's calculate together. Kx3. This is key. X3 is here. It is 10. Plus Lx4. It is also 10 plus 10. Lx3. L is here. X3 is here. Plus 20. Kx4 is also 20, but minus 20 over Lx2. Lx2 is here. It is 5. Let's do simplification, and it is 20 over 5 is equal to 4. The answer is E. This is a vocal question with give, word, enough, and God. There are 4 meaningful words and 1 not meaningful. How many meaningful English words are there? There are 4. You can check the meanings from the dictionary. If you follow up the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, you can see that there is one difference. G, H, I, J, K. So it is K. And 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. This means it is K8. K8 is the answer. In this question, we are looking for exactly one painted face. So we have 8 times 8 is 64 per face. How many faces are there in a cube? There are 6. When we multiply it, 24, we have 2, 36, 38. It is B. Let's color the diagram. Depends on symmetry. So we need to color this one, this one, this one, and this one. Totally how many squares we have colored? 4. The answer is 4. This question is related to positions of letters in the alphabet. B is 2, X is 24, J is 10. Let's go like this. And then there is a pattern. 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. 24, 20, 16, 12, and 8. 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. The answer is NHR. But let's see a shortcut. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Our next term starts with N, and the answer is C. If you see x cube is less than x squared is less than x, this x belongs to 0.1 interval. It is between 0 and 1. Which of the following is between 0 and 1? It is C. 3 over 4. Let's check the differences between numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. This means everything is related to difference. So 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. This means our number is 11. 2 times 3, 6. 5 times 3, 15. 6 times 3, 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 6 minus 4 is 2. 15 minus 4 is 11. 21 minus 4 is 17. 2 plus 5 is 7. 11 plus 5 is 16. 17 plus 5 is 22. The answer is 21, 22, B.